endi so obi kura ebre wo enkwatomu a anase obi wo ye ton no se ono yakoa asantefo titiriu na dankyira ekire wo mo ton mo ma Holland fo ansa na asante benya ne ho fa hodie afri dankyira esese emradu se yede de da eto de da na obia oka enkwato ehu abakosem no obeka ni yie o de o ka enkwato ho abakosem a ka na nka manu nkosi se sabede na onka ho no ono anytime ti o de no bewuram ama nkrofo abechire no na ye ne akra nso empoanofo no a ye boabo abrofo no ma omo ye de omo ye no ye mom ya twe ho na obi a wanye bie no ne yekofa no e de na ba bewuram enti mom ye nhye no nso bio se enkwasom ne nkwato de asantefo ene ne to nkwanta ya pai ne bi ni hosa na otan anytime ti ene ye pese ye twe wo mo de ewuramu se wo mo kra ne di ne hene ente sa
Asante no wohwe mu a oma ye bia magana yie pa
Hello abusafo. I hope say radio do mu nyina mo hoye me de nchia sonko ebre mu nyina radio sum dwen ka mu nyina and the video no be work crown nti I will crave your indulgence say mo be stay through to the end na no first time I over me page a mesre say obe subscribe to my channel ya mame na wa like video na wa drop comment na wa hit the notification bell so the be next time be me drop any new video on sabeti me account alert no na before I come in main topic no and my main topic no me be clarification be about video me yeah na me say Wode Maya is right about near you never Wode Maya be kan about slavery and the involvement of the Ashanti kingdom na answer na me call no so no me person mo hear some few videos be and then after that no me call so why okay I know say mo be stay through to the end e wakakra enti no stay through to the end and let us learn something together. Thank you very much.
Asante no wohwe mu a oma ye bia magana yie pa na se na ya da meka no se Ashanti empire no ana se kingdom no se anti anhwe fomo a nanka Burkina Faso omo asiye ho no ye Ghana ye tifi ni mosi no nka kan ye ho ana Togo ni Benin ene Nigeria western side or Yofo na aleta for na part so e kan Asante ho ana wokɔ ne Ivory Coast in the side no ye Basam baby amewe ni obo zoblazo so ye nzimeni ene omo wo ebono Ivory Coast in fact Ivory Coast bono for capital fe ne bono manso akoka Ivory Coast ana bontuku ne German ene bawule ene enyin ntinka ba 1/3 of Ivory Coast so ka Ghana nti wodi ni nyina ebomu a na kyerɛ nke Ashanti empire no anti anhwe a nke your size on is almost 3 times sa size we na nke ne anika ne sɛ nke ɛbɛboa ma akanfo nyina na nke yɛ one country emu ankoba ne sa okay incidentally so nke bɛma ayibefo nyina nso aba one country mu nke bɛba Ghana ɛna mole dagba ndifo no omu nuanu mosifo ne omu aka ɛwɔ Burkina ko mu nyina nso ɛwɔ man baako emu na kyerɛ sɛ empire no matter what ɛboae pa manke ɛbɛboa ma bibiman yɛtumi ayɛ baako in some way na broni deɛ woyɛ ne dan a na ɔwɔtumi sene yɛn ɛwɔ kwan biara so
I know say obi baby say me say na enye we hu na beka ada na wadi kan I show say video we ma share na ma show say video we because some me cut through me comments na the amount for bi mu e kan say me afedi akwa de menya Asantini even though ebi kwa me Asantini chen obi na o ka chem say menya Asantini no afedi o mo say lawyer anoche frimpon so on pass and the force otan Asantefo ohun say me share na me kofa sa lawyer frimpon anoche frimpon video we e de bae na Obina or say lawyer not frimpon time Asante ana ompa Asante asem ana otwa ntro just because wabeka asema aye no kra woni no nya adwene nti no o say ompa Asante for asem na afei say enani first time over me page ya video we ana lawyer not frimpon kan ya menu ana Asante for bebre say lawyer no chefrin pon ompe asantifo asem anase bia ochira asantifo no na honestly speaking lawyer no chefrin pon minim ne tribe na metie ne videos bebre but menyante tribe crow ofrimu probably be obefri nzema anaye bia achem ana bibisa I don't know but mo de muntie sa video we na amanfo blame no say otwantro anase onka no kore no but asem no kan no eye ono no kore na okan yo enso so omo say onka no kore otan asantifo enti me pesa mo hesa video no
na just superior weaponry and ma asantifo edi won sukun to mo de won sukun no na da go mafo no so hwe frafra ne dagat all those small kingdoms no so were not ho nti automatically na che so omo nyina ba che asantifo ase. You understand? Ntinyama not for any na so be sha asantifo ase no enu sa gariban tokoye bai na bibi bai ha adwene ye oni da gomba for ye relationship no na ye say afi bia no be ma ye nkoa 1000 wa ma ye nantwie 1000 nwan 1000 mponche 1000 guinea fowl a confirm 1000 nkoko 1000 nti ema gariban no tu share other tribes upper east ne upper west ne eyin so a da bia nipa na ne de koma asantifo na asantifo aton ama coastal states no mo de wo akwabrichire timesrose ye ka eno African Americans no a any yenuanom Africa Caribbean ni na most of them are northerners so omo ban so a incidentally they want to be Ashantis baby I'm an Asante man because they learn Ashanti history over there and they want to be Ashantis but the truth is that you can woman you do woman non consume no pa dia esremfo about 80%.
Wow.
And Vantifoso could be later we'll talk about that one. They said Jamaica send the chief one kwana akamfona na ewo.
And I happen to be an Asante. And from the research I did, both written records and also oral tradition, I found that Asante was the greatest slave-owning state in Ghana because they went to a lot of war. There are so many war captives. So what do you do with them? So you always look at your state need. How many do we need for farming? How many do we need for housework? You look at all that and the rest you send to the coast to be sold.
Na abushafo se da me kan no obi beka se enne ade na me videos we mo ba me di kan aye dada e wo me YouTube page dada na video na me title no Wode Maya is right no na manfo bebre e bedidi matem e bi kura se meti se kwa metua ono na okoyi Asante man se nka opese obi wia golden stool no obi se me meti se ono na obi se menya santini se menya santini dia it means say Professor Pebi ochira de wo Legon oye santini no otimi ko otumfo opokoware ono no free home Asante he no say tu eba ye no otimi ko no ahemfie e o Manhyia okokochia no eko ibisibisa the questions omo ye adwuma wo ahemfie ho nyina omo ma no audience ono no momo no aka asem na make the same thing na omo say menya santini ti menya santini dia it means say Professor Pebi akosua Pebi ono ye asantini mapana no Manhyia ekoye na research no ono so nya santini so hono nti no after the moment yanko main topic no the nti am yes video we no and I'll give my comment at the end of the day.
Talk about the transatlantic slavery. People think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. They catch you from the Salaga side. They walk you down all the way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
Wait, you walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
are you kidding me?
So that is why
you are making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north,
many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north. If we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Not that I know. No.
Yes, they walked.
Some people did not even make it along the way from the north to the south, like central region, right? Then they took them. That's why you had to take your last bath. If you go to the what's it called?
Asante River.
Yes. Yeah. So you take your last bath because you've walked long miles.
And all the dirt and
the dirt, they go and wash you. They wash you, then they take you to the dungeon. That's when like they start like checking which one is the strongest. You know, and they keep you there. You didn't know. So that is why, like, and
may
they
God help us. And may we learn lessons. Eh?
Amazing.
May we learn lessons.
You see, this is why I'm telling Africans that it's about time for us to go back to our roots, learn our history. Because if you don't know our history, we might never know where we are heading to. It's very important, especially the youth. You might think that, oh, I don't care. If you don't care, we'll continue to be slaves in our own countries.
Amazing.
This is a lie. Do not take any history from Ghana history from Wode Maya. What he just says, he is just trying to plot the northerners against the Asantis to bring about a confusion and commotion in Ghana. I have never heard this history, only from Wode Maya. You need to bring an evidence of what the Asantis did so people can weigh in and understand it.
Now you are not Ghana for your mistake, baby, because you see, you cannot obliterate history.
That's right.
Abakwasa mo pepa no a eyeye. Na Ghana for try say ebe pepa abakwasa.
So we can't erase history. I think that is how I ended. History cannot be erased.
Okay, Abushafo, enti said the mohe no. Sa Wode Maya statement way and a day war on the online. And I say online war. No, the Adiba statements where Wode Maya no. Now I think said the amount for emphasizing bebre on it was the word capturing and kidnapping. So here Wode Maya use the word capturing. And I will be na or can Wode Maya honomano on to use the word kidnapping. The problem are many people, many Asantis are having the word capturing and kidnapping. And you know, let us look at the history. Now say appropriate say Wode Maya be use the word capturing and as a kidnapping. Enti yenko ni teacher Sarfo Kantanka oye royal historian. There also a kind about slavery kafa Asante for honiade. Yenko tie no so. And then after that I'll give my comment. Said I kind no and video no be wakakra enti no stay through for me. Now and any first time I visit my channel here. For more than subscribe to my channel no mame. Like my video and share, drop your comment. Let us study together. Now hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, no ubenya alert and no very fast. I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
Abrofuna nkasa hai abibifo no bi. Emma omuska samon fanko na monkoto engrofo mfiri babia sebe epo ena ndi bowura Asante memu ebono memu ni jama memu babia Ivory Coast babia ubowura bia betimi akoto nipa de na ba ababeton na mayede na omo peneso ekoso chere na yemusa ya ho se enti na bibia ni ho no mo se efre no nkwato ansa na obroni eba na bibi wo ho saa ama esrem anso nananom ko esrem ekofa enkoa yi bi yesoma omo wo mpoano no na omo anante abesene ko esrem akototo nipa de omo abetwam ewo Asante mamu a de omo ko akokoma abrofo no na omo yesa nyina no na oman ya yefre na Asante na emae ndi omo yesa mfie baburo ahanu ni ache ansakura na ngrofo bi yefre omo Asante eba de na Asantifo no ye ne se esanse wonum ngrofo wu enyekuma no omo ko pebi efri baby no esrem titiri ebize ho de na enkwato no broni e de aduru ho dada Arabs no e de aduru ho kra dada ansa na broni eba endi ene ye toni pa de a ye be kwa koto wo mo na e de wo ma beka ye nya busua ho no bia wa fi wo nkwato ene nkwasomase emfi ahanu ansa na obi kra manya e friend Asante na eba no e de na ona wo de enkwato ekohye no Asante no eba 1700 no na ye friend say on ansa na 1700 no ba no ama omo ne denkyira akoko anya omo fa ahodie no onu mankasa na omo hye denkyirafo ase adenkyirafo eton wo no mo enkwa omo chichira Asantifo yi eton wo mo endi so obi kura ebre wo enkwato a anase obi wo ye ton no se ono yakoa asantefo titiriu na dankyira ekire wo mo ton mo ma Holland fo ansa na Asante benya ne ho fa hodie afri dankyira sa kasasa o mo sisi ye nyina no se na sa bia ayi no dungeons no ewom ya ho no mo de enko aguro sa mre no so na Asante mai nti obi de enkoato ekohye Asante a na kire se o pese nipa mu mpapaye o papa nipa mu se beyo na abibifo a yen yete amamu no yehu Asante ne se o mumbomu na o modi o mo ye sa bone no na nye broni na yeye na abibifo nso o mo wa brochire o mo nso ebeduru ha na o mo ni abre ya ka hye ne tirimu se Asante fo ne ton no wa abra entesa ya ka hye broni na abibini no a ofi ne nananom ye to wo mo no se Asante fo ne ton wo mo wa bra broni angasa nim se entesa sa na ode ahye wo madwum ene esese emradu se yede de da eto de da na obia oka enkoato ehu abakosem no obeka ni yie ode wo ka enkoato hu abakosem a ka na nka manu nkosi se be na onka ho no ono anytime ti ode no bewuram ama nkrofo abekire no na ye ne akra nso empoanofo no a ye boaboa abrofo no ma omo ye de omo ye no ye mom ya twe ho na obi a wanye bie no ne ye kofa no e de na ba bewuramu eno na sese na yesua se ye beja asayo na ye ka nokore ya ewo asem no mu na ye nyina ya tena se anuanom ye koso yesa Jamaica fo kra de ombedu ha na sebe ombenya kra nanka twase kan ewo nkrofo bi e from Asante force every say sa na ya kan kire wo mo emredu se obia o kan tour guide anase udia abibifo anase abrofo nim aka abakosemo efa enkwato ho akire ahoho aba no obeka no French na wakani yi Asante infa na obetimi agina ede wonsa chene atene se aha na ye enkwato ehu bibi wa bibi ani hasa enti yenka hu se sa ade no a ye kano entwato so na se entwato so de a ene emomyem hwe enokure ne mfa enokure ento babi a eda na anu ye ya omudi afahye bi a ekire se baby a na yetoto enkoa ana baby a na edwadie enkoa adwadie wo no ye chinchine ho no obi ani ho a ode ne nsatene Asante man mu baby se ha na ye bibi sa ho we kire wo se na omonka ho de etoso bie mu ye se castles a baburo aduasa yesi wo empoano mia pii ni nyina no na Asantefo no mo nim nipa kra afre no buroni ekosi se omne abrofo nya ntokwa omne anama e wompo anu nya ntokwa abrofo koboa omo na Asantefo nim nipa afre no buroni na sabe nya do wakoton akoa amano enti yenhwe ho nso eyi enti mom yenhye no nso bio se enkoasom ne nkoato de Asantefo ene ne to nkwanta ya pai ne bi ni hosa na otan anytime ti ene yepese yetwe wo mo de ewuramu se wo mo kra ne di ne hene entesa
kaneni akofa mosifo mebe waya menya mema
ne akofa mosifo mema tintra gamu mema tintra gamu
do pa ko fo mebe waya ma menya mema
so be bomba fo ba ebe waya ma menya mema gramu
emenya ni kwa mietra kunya so
emenya pa mietra kunya
kaneni akofa mosifo mebe waya menya mema
ne akofa mosifo mema tintra gamu mema tintra gamu do pa
ko fo mebe waya ma menya mema
so be bomba fo ba ebe waya ma menya mema gramu
emenya ni kwa mietra kunya so
emenya pa mietra kunya.
Hello, Abolition for main reason tia mami yes video we and say I mean person mutie what teacher Sarfo Kantanka wanted to say. so ye santini ti se me na o follow Manhyia ene niam ekoso Kumasi ene ye nana Asante hina about abakosem ne history ni ade teacher Sarfo Kantanka say onim de pa. Sometimes I learn some things from him. Na on say ne kase mu no na ase oka no kore no kore na oka no, but ebi wo hono ma na de me fan say ebekwatia Asante no ebekwatia ye na say we ye free. We call it omission. On say it is not good say ye kan in history. Na ase papa no nko na ye kan na mom boni a e history there ye mpese ye beka. You see, this is where me and Kasami fellow Asante for no be almost say the menya Santini as a omuni me nya adwene I was say me be can say oh adie we esi and I say see I have no ass to grind me need any problem be I say me gia tum say na your tribe no a great tribe there na say ye great things, a lot of great things there na no dia me gituma other na say history ebe yi kire say okay we did great things but we also did bad things other na no dia yenje no ntum. Now, I don't think say any tribe be or Ghana will be to me appointed an accusing finger at the actually any other tribe in Ghana. I don't believe any other tribe or any other person can do that in Ghana because tribe would be had slaves at one point in time. At one point or the other, we all had slaves. And you know, I cannot point an accusing finger. Me, Monemeka say, me Asante, I live in Canada. Onim say mete black Americans and I say some Ghanaians no omoka reparations sa abrofo no emma abibifo sika because of say omudu omoye nkoasom na and I say omudu omko nkoasom mu na me am Asante no onim say me nkabi when I see them talking or when I hear them talking I keep quiet. You know why? Because I know my history. I know that we also had slaves. We also sold slaves. Na saanso na oye achimni mfantini nkraini votarian northerner we are all guilty. I am not making this video to shame an Asante and I'm not making this video to like criticize my own tribe. That is not what I want to do. I just want you people and everybody who is a student of truth and history to say okay, this part we did well, this part we didn't do well. The only thing we need to take from history is to learn from history. We don't learn history so we can fight. And until some of you come here with insult. And the reason why I order insult, everybody say you don't have the intellectual ammunition. Senka uwa intellectual ammunition, and enka uya intelligent. Nenka you will come with your opinion, you will come with your idea, you will come with your evidence, you will come with your historicity. You will not come and insult people. You will not come and attack anybody. And these are some of my fellow Asantis. Ebi Onsua, Ebi Mufri enough. If you go through the comment, that is what they are doing. All that they are doing is insulting. Now, if you are insulting, it is a proof that you don't have an intellectual argument. You don't have an intellectual ammunition. That is why you are insulting. In this page, I don't want to insult, and I don't want anybody who is part of this page to insult. The Ayabeya said, we will prove the evidence. We will give the proof, we will provide the evidence, and let the chips fall where they may. Enti diamika teacher Sarfo Kantanka me penasem oye onimonyam for nenimonyam. I have great respect for him. But we can lie by omission. Sasem no say ye cano 99% correct. Now 1% be the ye free move because that 1% will paint us in a certain lighter. And we don't want that light. So we take that 1% out. That is not good enough. And until my previous video now, and I'm saying Wode Maya is right. You know, me can say, said the first thing you have to ask yourself when you hear anything is it true? Don't say, does it go against me? Don't say, does it favor me? Don't say, how do I benefit from this? Never say that. And especially if you're a Christian, I cannot respect you if you hear something and you don't ask yourself, is it true? That is the first question you should ask. In Ghana, no, say no, we don't do that anymore. In our politics, we don't do that anymore. So obi NDC ni na otiasem na a negative about NPP. The person doesn't do investigation, say a correct and that's a correct. Just because oye NDC ni na asem wate no a negative, I kotia NPP tino. The person will just take it. So also no be NPP ni na otiasem na negative about NDC. The person will not do research to make sure say a correct and that's a correct. Otia na obejedi. What kind of life are we living in this country? How is that going to help our country? How is that going to help us? Nendeno, send me catch up on the video no inti mesra mo say stay tuned. So I'm going to bring you historical proofs and historical evidence. On say otumfo kasano, otumfo video na me de betwa mu no. On say no kasano o say na Asante ko esirim anasa Asante konof ekofa mosifo ene dagombafo anasa northerners ema omo ba beware Asantefo enti wo de yemi say ho say ekwan ben so na Asantefo ekofa omo na Asantefo ekoho ene omo ne kodi nkomo say oh abrante ye wo ma bebre wo Asante enti mo de momra na mo meware bia na sana na Asantefo ya na anasa say de na teacher Sarfo Kantanka di kan no first no na ye kokoto wo mo anasa we were doing something more than that. I don't deny say na yetimi tobi, but I will also not accept say na yentimi and capture bi, because in war if you fight somebody and you overcome him, all the people become your slaves. You capture them. Enti word na among for our problem say Wode Maya use sa word no say capture and I say kidnap no. On say Wode Maya use the word capture and the other one use the word kidnap. What happens after war? Do you think say after war no when we fight some people and their men and their women and their children no, what happens to them? They all become your properties. They all become your properties. So you capture them, you bring them to your country, you bring them to your city, you bring them to your tribe. That is the way things were. So what I say, and you know, said the Otumfo kan no, say na ye call off ekofa emema momu ebeware ye ma awa Asante ha. Na kwan be so na yetimi kofa omu. Na ye kokko bribe omu, ana say ye kokko capture omu in war, or we go and buy them. Intro definitely no ebeye ne mamienu. Either say na ye kokko to omu, ana say ye kokko capture omu by war or during war. So we koto no dia, me fan say na won capture no. But during war, you capture the person. And I say you kidnap the person, whichever word you want to use, you know, it is the same thing. And don't deny this because you are an Asante. I am an Asante, but I want the truth. So I'm not going to deny it. Okay? Let us not lie by omission. It is you're happy with our glorious past as Asante people. Say, oh, Yakasa Asantia, we are the only tribe that was able to fight the white man many times. Oh, we were the dominant tribe. We were the most important tribe, like back then. I don't say yetimi jisa and no tumudia. It drew say ye can the negative part no dia. Now yes Antinia, we see no dia. Wonye tum. And like I said in my previous video, no, some of you say won't asem that you equate it to be say enye no kore. How can that be? Say won't asem that intino say the first time. Let's say it doesn't go in your favor. Asem na watching the first time no enye no kore. So na anka nchire wonti, anasa teacher anka nchire wonti, anasa wanti wo social media that this is the first time I watch it, and unti no enye no kore. And some of you also say if it doesn't favor you, and I say if it doesn't paint your tribe in a good light, and also so say enye no kore. Let us not live like this. Let us stop this kind of life, because say yes sir, emwa ye my Ghana so no. Etino nano me so dampare argument to be during the chat no, and I me catch obi say dampare e catch obi say onkochi obi say dampare catch police officer say onkochi obi na police officer no kochi onipa kro na why ne kochi onipa kro no aye dampare and I say police officer no and kochi no well obet maka say police officer no but say obi abeka no kwen so also obet maka say dampare and ma ye kochi no it is any lawyer anoche from pon kan ye no say after say Gary Bantokwa no Asante defeat woman no Asante eka say omo metua etuo bi and etuo na omo entua no na 1,000 slaves 1,000 days na omo deba every year
na bibi ba ya ha adwene ye oni da goma fo ye relationship no na ye say afi bia no be ma ye nkoa 1,000 wa ma ye nantwie 1,000 nwan 1,000 mponche 1,000 guinea fowl a confirm 1,000 nkoko 1,000 nti ema Gary Banu to share other tribes upper east ne upper west ne eyini so a da bia omunipa na ne de koma Asantefo na Asantefo aton ama coastal states no mo de wo akwabrichiri
no we Asante ni na otia obeka say oh na say Gariba na odisa 1,000 slaves no eba no ekwa be so na Gariba enya sa slaves no na Gariba kotete slaves no free enua so ana say enipa oba awo mu na Gariba ekochi wo mu edi wo mu ba enti say Asante hene ekonka baby na okachire wo mu say efri na kro no muntua 1,000 slaves emami every year na say nkrofo no so ekochiche nipa say de be ya omo benya nipa de abetua eto no edi ama Asante hene ana Asante man every year na why na ema omo kochiche say nipa no enya Asante na ema omo kochiche say nipa no even say if you are right say Asante directly anko capture nkrofo no ana say anko kidnap nkrofo no Asante gave the orders to the kings to go and do it, and the kings had to fulfill their mandate, and I said whatever they have been commanded. So the kings of the north went to kidnap their own people so that they can deliver the 1,000 slaves every year. Let us all be honest. So, yes, Santini na utimia. Oh, yes, Santini cheme. Me a meno ka say, Ebia na me Santini krache wa oti hono. Ebia wa oti hono. Ebia o mami na yes Santini. Ebia o mami yes Santini. And I say, oh papa yes Santini. Nitino oh yes Santini cheme. I can trace me trace me root. Ebi drew adum. You don't know who you are talking to. You don't know me. So don't say me yes Santini because of say me kano kre. And I say no kre na me kano. It doesn't go in your favor. Say kano kre no call favor dia. Any anka obefa madam for. Any anka obeka say oh me proper Asantini. Let us stop this. Obi so catch them say me kwa me tuya because say me ya Asante ama. And I'm say we me ya Asante bi ama. Na ya Asante kwa me tuya e na kwa me tuya ye. Na kwa me tuya pese abrofo no ba wi golden stool. Say na me wo ho that time no dia. Any anka me ne kwa me tuya beko. Ene no golden stool when na eba be wi golden stool. Enye na yetimi golden stool kra etimi beto abontin. Nenti amanfo e the camera e twetwai. You couldn't do that 200 years ago. Ebra na abrofo no epe golden stool awia no. Na yentimi enyi golden stool e ma abontin. Ena yetimi golden stool e di pie e ma social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, ene ade nyina TikTok nyina ukọ ho no ma obehu golden stool e wo ho. Eti neno ade no obi pese otwa ntro de cover golden stool. Say otwa ntro no de cover golden stool dia. Any I don't want to be part of it. Any obeka chem say menye Santini, and that is fine. I will not lie to defend the golden stool today in the 21st century. Ebia commitment yesa in the 19th century, in the 18th century. And with the Ebia commitment control to defend the golden stool, but not in the 21st century. You don't need to lie about our past. Let us not do omission. Moma yanka de ebeboa yan nkoa na yenyi bone ni frim. Na meka we de kire menuanom achemfo ene menuanom domafo, especially domafo. Mesrem ewo awrade din mu se moma yanka se se esidia ebegu yanim asenti no moma yanka se ensi enti no moma yanko cook and I say yanko produce a new history. Say enye de kore ensi. Let us stop this. Esi let us all move together. Let us only learn from history. Say the be ani see no ebi sibium, but let us not deny it. Na me wo few references bi a me pese me de bremo na ye de sua de eno ntino stay tuned. Na say the me kan no. If this is your first time visiting my page, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share and drop your comment. Now hit the notification bell so that me drop a new video on Sabeka. I want us to learn together. I've told you I have no ass to grind. I only care for what is true. Now me was some references be me person medema. Where a history of the Gold Coast and Asante, based on tradition and historical facts, comprising a period of more than 3 centuries, from about 1500 to 1860 by Reverend Carl Christian Randolph. No say, or the native pastor of the Basel Mission, Christianburg, Gold Coast. Enti book no so yechro no 1895. Wonim de enti a me se da bia no me pe books na yechro no 1700, 1800 and the early 1900s no. Me pe those books no because bias no eye few. Definitely there could be some biases. I don't deny that. But I don't know less. And no less. I like history books yachro no 1950 and 1960. I like them. But all things being equal no. History book yachro no 1800s, 1700s, early 1900s no. And no be more credible. It will have less bias than history book yachro no. Before I say 1950 and 1970. It book way was written in 1895. Now the try no na or native pastor. Me find say or black man. Send the picture and eda hono. Enti very likely say obewo less bias. Enti minim ni tribe no say no native pastor Christianburg Castle and I say Gold Coast dia. Any likely say bia obeye infantini and I say bia bibisa. Enti I hope say ebia obeye bias kra ebeye few. Now yentie nia ochroye in his book no page 171 I think chapter 13 or say the deplorable state of the country in consequence of the invasions by and the tyrannical rule of Asantis. I think that one of the headings no sana or caption no or say from 1807 to 1823 the Asantis were lords of all the country between their kingdom and the coast and ground down the people with the most barbarous tyranny. Those Asante chiefs and headmen residing in the principal towns exercised more authority over the people than the king himself at Kumasi. Merchants, mechanics, clerks, canoemen, the poor, the rich, high and low, all were subjected to a rigid system of cruel extortion on every possible occasion and often on pretense altogether ludicrous and unheard of. Yam saying ya all can you say na between 1807 and 1823 no na Asante na really from Asante all the way to the coast. I say so your fantini na otis asem we ya obeka say oh nye ne kure ensi da oye nkrani na otia oh ensi da we ya chimni na otis asem we obeka oh ensi da what do you mean okase ensi da no because you are dishonest, because history no it is not going for you, it is not going in your favor. You see ensi da it happened at some point in time. Asante was master over all the lands of Asante from Bono all the way to the coast. Or see between 1807 to 1823, no, Asantes were the lords of all these people. And or say Asantes were very tyrannical, and also so I don't deny that. Ubina Wetimaka said we were lords over this time period. No, next Osaka we are. I don't know why I'm going to deny that. It probably that was true. Okay, that was true. Now I want to give you another reference. So free Akwemua. Brace yourself for this. We a historical truth. From the same book. Medikai Erede Chiremono. The history of the Gold Coast and Asantis. No. I say the Akwamus had monopolized the trade on the coast. Akim's on say we no Okano Akim, but so the wife he is referring to Achim. I say Achims were not permitted to buy goods direct from the coast. Arms and ammunitions were not sold to them at all because na Akwamu Fono monopolized it. Until now, so they will not let Asantes come and trade because say omuma obia emetotua any omuma Asante emetotu. The worst of all was that the Akwamus carried on that nefarious practice among themselves. A band of strong men had been selected for that practice by the Akwamus. Now this page, was saying say na Akwamu fono omoye into kidnapping pa like omube kidnapo say o kwa kodidwa ewo koso honum na omuso ma omu be kidnapo no makoton edwa ma friends slave masters no abrofo no se o ba betwam na se omu betimi akapchawa no omu akapchaw no omu akidnapo. Now say the worst of all was that the Akwamus carried on the nefarious practice among themselves. Nyo can say even though no mutimi kidnapo people from other tribes no or say no mutimi kidnapo o man kasan krofo say now ya Akwamuni na omu chill say on nam baby na ya wonko na on nam ho na omu betuma chiwa omu timi chill na omu kwakoton. Or say a band of strong men had been selected for that practice by the Akwamus. One of them very often on coming to the coast and happening to find another from his own place enticed him to the fort and sold him. So what? Or say the merchants then resident at Accra, Danes, English or Dutch use every means to ship off from 500 to 600 slaves every month. Enti Akwamufo any anyone no more south honum no and asa no more coast honum no more so chiche nipa e de omukọ slave masters for no ho abrofo no ho ekoton wo mu. Enti ni o say every month bia no na Danes for no which is the Danish people, any English, any Dutch for no na omu anshipu nipa anfo mu enfree coast honum anko abrochi de kra no na nya 500 to 600 slaves every month. Sabre no na Asante enya meye that strong. Sabre na Asante enya meye o man. Enti no na edinchwa na di Asante so but na Akwamufo no de na omu yesa niema we against their own fellow countrymen. So page 311 or say boys and girls were sold into slavery only to furnish the king with luxuries. For a few pounds of fish, an Akwamu resident in a crepet town would sell a boy or a girl only to furnish himself a breakfast. So what? Or say Akwamu for no na omutimi ton nipa or say so omutimi che abaya bi anabamu bi no ne namba bi na ne maame enka ne ho ana say obi anka ne ho omutimi che no mu de nakọ coast to honum no na omakoton no said be ya obenya sika ato aduane adi. I say poor and harmless persons were sold like fowl and sheep. In 1822 to 23, when Yao Osei, an Asante general commissioned by Osei, assisted the Akwamus against the Crepes, they captured thousands of inoffending Crepes so that a slave boy or girl of 10 years was sold for 25 strings of cowries and an adult for 1 head and 25 strings. They locked up thousands of the captives in houses and set fire to them because there was no market for them. So what? Enti akwamufo no ye no etoda na asantefo no so ebeka omo ho na omo chechecheche nipa. Now, say what is asem we ya? Abe wasum chiwo baka say oh, yentimi nyesa. It is because wode ene moral standard no na wode judge ntia. Ene no obi ntimi nyesa, enti no wadwe kira wo say ebia 200 years ago, 300 years ago no, and so obi ntimi nyesa. Oh, yes now you are wrong, you are dishonest. There is something they call presentism. Presentism no, and they say who use a moral standard and as a moral marking scheme. Now they are judge near sea in the past. And they know the what you be you say oh let's say with the air time. Why not? Because kwachi obi say okotono and they the intimacy and until now they say intimacy. Yes, and they the intimacy because we live in a civilized, enlightened era. But in the past, it happened. It happened. So don't deny that. Sophia Kwemua, these are some of the things that unanum the toda Asante for no so any woman now we know page 310 no the author say neither would God Almighty, to whom all the nations upon the earth belong, suffer such a barbarous, cruel, and bloody kingdom to exist any longer upon the earth. He was referring to the Akwamufo no, or say not omu so barbarous say not they are just dangerous and just nasty people. And we are Akwamufo no. Or say it is shocking to the civilized world to hear of the deplorable and wretched condition to which the Crepes were reduced by the Akwamus, since they are being driven by the Akras in 1734 to settle in the Crepe land. Minim Crepe land no near Echere wa ufri coast hono. So nim after the Crepe land na. Say Echere Krobodia minim, but probably I may be wrong. But I was trying to research the word Crepe, but I couldn't find it. I think some were saying Krobo. Or say they lived upon war and plunder ever since their kingdom was established at the foot of the Akim Peak. From 500 to 600 slaves were sold to European slave traders by the king every month during the 16th century. Enti we nyina ye akwamu anema na oye. Enti eye decide no na teacher Sarfo Kantanka na opeto kire say ansa na Asante eba be ye oman na Asante ye de ho every dinchira fo nsem no na sa slave trade na ekoso dada. Enti na ekoso no hwan na eton nipa no edi omuma abrofo no eye ye nuanum coast for na coast for no oma na omu dimu tintimman pa ye akwamu for no. Akwamu edi so free akwamu a na ye ka slave trade na so pointing accusing finger e dey kire Asante for so say Asante for na ye Asante for nko na ye you are wrong, you are lying. Na mo so mo ka ho be in fact the Ochro book you say neither would God Almighty, to whom all the nations upon earth belong, suffer such a barbarous, cruel, and bloody kingdom to exist any longer upon the earth. When Timan Kasa Semwe about Asante for, when Timan Kasa Semwe about Infante for, when Timan Kasa Semwe about Isrim for, when Timan Kasa Semwe about Incline for, Nemum Okafa Akwamu for him. Meaning say Akwamu were very nasty people. Nasty as far as slavery was concerned. No, Mona na mo coast for no, yeah, Asante for the na ye were inland, but Mona na mo coast for no. It means that Akwamu for no, now we are very, very bad, very, very wicked, very, very evil. You captured a lot of people and you sold them into slavery. Now, in the same book, no, page 188, let me read something for you. During those days, Asante Jane, the son of Edumata, the renowned linguist of Kumasi, came to the coast. He was arrested and imprisoned in James Fort, but as the chiefs of Accra interceded for him, he was released and went up to Kumasi. He met a large number of Asante traders coming to the coast to trade and advised them to return, but very few of them complied. The rest, about 300, went to the coast. The same day, the martial law was put into force. Captain BluntGhana hastened to Christiansburg, where lots of the Asante traders were residing. Their goods were confiscated and themselves either killed or sold as slaves. Tio, we Asante for omohoko da edwam ewo koso. O say na obia na ye frɛ no Asante Jane a na oye Edumata neba Edumata no na oye chief linguist ewo Kumasi, meaning say Manhyia. Ebia na oben Asante hene a neba na ye frɛ no Asante Jane okɔ koso ho no ma coast for no e kidnapo no probably a president akwamufo ibia omo kidnapo no ene ne niema ene nkrofo na omo ka omo ho nyina ena akrafo nyame nhira akrafo no we chese wo ye santinia. These are some of the things na ema history eye de no. You will see good part, you will see bad part. Don't be angry when you see the bad part. we no or say the chief of Accra and the co-pleadie and a yejai Asante agent oye edumata the chief linguist Manhyia yejai ne babema no na say onam kwamuba no and o share 300 people, about 300 people Asante fo a omu kokos honum akwa akodidwa and o ka che o say masa de coast for no dia yemini o nti be ya monsan o say dodo no ansan and afi de omu koye na yachi omu de yachi omu no omu niema omu sika no mu de kodidwa we ye Asante fo a yakidnap omu niema ni omu sika omu de kodidwa nyina enkrofo yi agye ni nyina de asese omu kun mu ni asese omu ton mu so omu ton omu enti no hayi kire se Asante fo bi so fairly victim enti nyesire mu fo nko na fairly victim enye south fo nko na fairly victim ye nyina obia fairly victim and until I say nobody can point an accusing finger to an Asante. Oh yes sir, why are very dishonest? Ufi akwemu no yes sir, why are dishonest? Ufi atem no yes sir, why are dishonest? Ufi denchira no yes sir, why are dishonest? Ufi slave no yes sir, why are dishonest? We also slaves. It was the survivor of the fittest. It was the fittest who survived. So now who are the nkuwa no betima capture obi nkuwa dia. Na wa capture no. Enti saa Asante fo ye omukoko di dwa ya ye capture wo mu yi. Enye momo south fo no na mo capture wo mu. Enye momo coast fo no na mo capture wo mu. Probably akwemu fo, but whoever it is no south fo no na capture wo mu. Enti ye nyina we are all guilty. So we say page 185 of the same book no. The same book no. I say Ado was apprehended by Kwafum at Adobisum and brought to Captain Bluntghana. The Asante residents at Ekropon, over 100 persons with a large amount of collected tribute, were captured and brought to Accra. Some killed and the rest sold into slavery. We see another Asante for Omhukoka Edremu, that was South Honum, page 185. The same book no say Okanya Ubehunu. And also we see Asante for and Omhukochiri Womu. Asante for and so people from the south no capture Omu, kidnap Omu. And he said, Wode Maya be use the word kidnapper about Asante. Don't feel bad. I know Asante, yes, so ye be. Said ye south for ye because for ye be, not north for ye be no. Yes, so ye be. And I'm going to prove to you. We also did it. Obia ye be. Obia kidnap, you know, bit ma kidnap no. Obia capture, you know, bit ma capture no. So now bit ma bomenkwa dia. Na, what for my japa dia. Sa na we. Enti nenu obeti Ghana now can say, oh, Ghanaians are peaceful people. Oh, Ghanaians are naturally peaceful people. Yana sankrofo omo ya mesere. I know that they don't know history. Aya Ghana for enana eye we etia yem fellow Ghanaians so. Asante ye bitia coast for no ye bitia Asante. Asante ye bitia north for no ye bitia Asante. Why na wanye bi entia obi? Enti say ne obu ho no ka say, oh, Ghanaians are peaceful people. Oh, Ghanaians, we love peace. There can never be war. Oh, Ghanaians, we love peace. We were killing ourselves during those days. And then, you know, ask yourself, Adentina asumye awaha. Me as a Christian, I know it's because of Christianity. It is one of the reasons. It may not be the only reason, but Christianity is one of the reasons. Because o Christo ni be na no betimi atwese kanse or de kokum ni nua. Anaso obetwi tuo se or de kokum ni nua. I said this to my fellow friends some time ago. Me say, the entire na I say asumdwe enkoso ewo north no because of say Christians and also ewo northern region of Ghana. I promise you say that Christians ebedosun ewo northern region. They say Christians edosun ewo south hanum no. And I say Akans hanum no. And that Christians ebedosun ewo north. Beyond the present population, no, there will be a lot of peace in the northern region because Christoni or no one yajun pa or medidi watem and nothing so be back page so na odidi matem na or can somebody family one. I know say the person is not a Christian, the person is an idiot, the person is a fool because obi oye Christian no so no be nyajuna obechere wadwene ontwese kan ontwitu say odi kodwitwa no so no and that Christians ebedosun ewo northern region no there will be a lot of peace in the northern region. The reason tia peace kakra ewo south hanum no we are not perfect ewo south ha and I say Asante ha but it's because of Christianity. That is why so because oh Ghanaians are peaceful people. Show him this video, share this video to all those people. Nakacho say we were not peaceful people like we think. We were as barbaric, as nasty, as ugly as any other person. Something has changed. So let us give glory to God for Christianity. That is why I set up this page for the defense of Christianity and Christian values. Because I know, say Christianity is really all over Ghana. And I say if Christians become true Christians, if people become true Christians, not churchgoers, and you know, sorry, because I'm not sorry, and so only Christian. Those are not the people I'm talking about. Mekan krofo omokwa sorry, na omuye Christians at heart. San krofo no onko you be bone. So no. Now, one of the reasons in here, say, you can't slavery as I don't want to point accusing fingers to anybody. I am an Asante, but I don't want to point an accusing finger to anybody, including the white man. When they say slavery was ubiquitous, Obroni Beka said ubiquitous, meaning that it was everywhere. Everybody practiced slavery. The wisest question anybody should ask was, who abolished slavery? Na omo abolished slavery no. Na nye Arabs for NAYE. NAYE yen blacks for NAYE. Enye yen Asante for any cha enkwasumu. Eya abrofo ni cha enkwasumu. Do you get it? So with all their bad side, eye omu and started say, let us cancel slavery. They brought the abolition of slavery. Sabrena omu cha enkwasumu ewa abrochire no. Not only did they do that, not like the king of Denmark and the king of England. Na omu sende navy ships. Say so omu koto say ship will be na the slaves ko abrochire. Na omu ni sankofo na kon. Na omu liberate slaves for no. Na omu the slaves for no asamba back to omu country. This is historical fact. But na yen Asante for achim for akwemu for nkran for no na still no we were practicing the slavery. Into this page 152 of the same book no or say in 1803 slave trade entirely ceased throughout all the colonies of Denmark. On the 25th March 1807, the slave trade was abolished by the English, and the English cruisers were sent to the west coast to capture the slave ships. So what? Omucha slaves ni muno, and I say omucha slavery muno. Now they wanted slavery to stop everywhere. Intino na baby ana enkwasum ekoso no, and I say na people were still buying slaves no. Not only did they abolish slavery in their country, they made sure they wanted to make sure say there will not be slavery anywhere. So they would send their navy ships to go and fight people who were still practicing slavery. Do you know the number of white people that died because of that? Semena metra enkwasumu na semese mfa nkwa mami kromu bi ma. So I say come here din na metena me baby. But one thing about abrofo say, adie bia eye good for them no, they want to share with other people. So when they realized that slavery was bad and they don't want slavery to continue anymore in their country, they also didn't want slavery to continue anywhere else. Until they were sending their navy ships to go and fight people. This is 1807. Can you imagine? 1807, 25th March 1807. Aya abrofo ne di kan twa enkwasumu. Enye Arabs for ne di kan yeye. Enye abibifo ne di kan yeye. Enye ni petuntum ne di kan yeye. Sabre na omutwa slaves mu no 1807 no. Na yen asantifo, achemfo, esrimfo de ye de ye ginamu gidigidi. Ah ye ton koa, na ye to, na ye ton. Na ye capture, na ye kidnap. Sabre nyina na ye. Or say, yet the domestic slavery could not be put down either by the English or the Danish government. So, or say, in prosecuting, however, their object, both governments had often to resort to hard measures. No, say, it's not say, na domestically, like me fan say internally, they were Ghana, they were me fan say Ivory Coast, and many adeno, now they were putting hard measures like omubema huachiropa. They were punishing you. Or say, after General Amankwa had left for Asante, the country enjoyed peace. So this means that the Asantis, we were really terrorizing the people in the coast. Or say, after General Amankwa had left for Asante, the country enjoyed peace. But then the slave trade with the Portuguese became brisk. Chief Ankara was the general broker for the slave dealers. All the influential chiefs, such as Ato, Sarfo-Mensah, Kwate Kojo, Tete, Chiro, Dowona, etc., had their hands in it. Eteno Swahunu, Ebrana Brofunumpo, Echa and Kwasumunum, not the chiefs of the south, Sa Edia Obubuina, Eye Ahimfano more south for no, and yet Asante for Ahimfo. They still had their hands in it. You know why history is so beautiful? You know why history is so sweet? Enti ujiri se papaya ochro sa asemwe no ujiri se entro na utwa to sa ahimfo yisu ana. Do you believe say he had an interest to lie about these people? That is why now I don't like people who give history and they do omission. They said their teacher Sarfo Kantanka you know. I love him. I think that you know about 95% I know correct. But 5% was an omission. Or should I give him because I know the okan a bit show Asante in a bad light. But I don't like that. Say everything, and let discerning people choose the ones that they want to choose. Let discerning people pick their own choices. let the chips fall where they may. Okay, say it as it is. Enti sa ahemfo a obobo omu din nyina na sa ahemfo no nyina no omu nsa wom abrofo no twa enkoaso mu no, they were still busy doing it. We ahemfo a omu wokos honum no. Okay, let us continue. As there was no commandant in the Dutch fort at the time, Dutch towns was made the depot or depot. Slaves were sold during the night. So hono omu pese abrofo no behunu, omu pese Denmark for no English for no ebehunu. Enti on say abrofo no enye omu nyina ne twam at the same time. Abrofo ni bi twam like the English and the Denmark nations. They abolished slavery. But na omu fellow abrofo ni bi de na omu ntwam. Enti no omu ne blacks na omu coast for no, probably Asante for any north for no. Na omu smuggle slaves no. Enti na we no omu di omu ewie omu ho anajo. Ena omu cotton slaves no ema omu se de be ya abrofo like English for no, any Denmark for no, omu ehu. Or say slaves were sold during night, and Ankara had the charge to keep them till a slaver arrived, and the poor people were shipped in the night, all to avoid detection by the English and the Danish government. So enti abrofo no mpotwa mu no na yaya bibifo no yani abrig digiri. Enti adana oko pointing accusing finger e de akire buruni. Think about that. Oh dear, I know I am talking to intelligent people because I told you I want my page to be for intelligent people, rational, honest, intelligent people. And if you're a Christian, thank you for joining my page. Why do you think that we have to point accusing fingers to the white people? Ebra omutwa mu 1807 no. Na ye coastfo no. Achemfo, akwamufo, nkranfo, mfantefo, asantefo, esirimfo, yede yani abrestela na ye practice. Intina we were smuggling the slaves in the night. Which I say abrofuna na omuto slaves no na omunye Denmark for and I say no omunye Britain for, because Britain for the omutwemu inti ebi ombeye bibi fufro so hono. Intina that is why I don't want to blame the white people when it comes to slavery. We are all guilty. We are all guilty. So after today, never blame anybody over slavery. Never blame any white man over slavery. Never blame a black man over slavery. Emblemu akwemuni, emblemu asantini, emblemu esrimuni, blemu yenyina. We were all guilty. The most important thing is, are we going to learn from what has happened? We have to learn from it and move forward. Now, when you the war between Asantis and the Bana people, and we page 139, or say, Worosa, the king of Bana, used to seize and kill Asante traders on his territory. Osei Kojo therefore declared war against him. On say na Bana for no omu onof honum sano. Na Asante for no, on say na Asante for no, ye konof ekodidwa, esanko south ekodidwa. Na Asante for na omu konof akodidwa no. Na Bana hene na owo hono. Wachi oma na wakun omu. On say enti sieka say everybody kidnapped everybody captured everybody. I don't know why obi wo honoma na otisa semoya na ne buofu. That is not the way you are supposed to react. That is not the way you are supposed to behave. That is very bad. Enti sa woro say na oye banahene at that time for the Banda people no. Oche Asante for na wakun omu. Enti osay kojo na oye Asante hene at that time no. Organize the troop to go and fight him. If the troops no koye no, ko capture Banda for no. Ebu omu ekunkum omu. Na listen to what he said. Or say, multitude of prisoners were captured. The others were sacrificed or sold as slaves to the Dutch and English in the slave market at Manso to defray the expenses of the war. This time, no, na abrofono omunyam for slave trade abolishment, no, MI. And I said the abolition of the slave trade, no, na inyamai. Inti, asantefono bandafono ekokunye no, omunya slaves. Inti, omukunkumbi. Or say some were sacrificed. Sacrifice, no. He didn't say some were killed though. Or say sacrifice. Sacrifice means we sacrifice them to idols or gods or something. That is what they did. Or say the Akaya, no, they sold them. Yeton womu, edima Dutch for any abrofono. And you know, these were prisoners of war. If you capture them or you kidnap them, you sell them. Banafono dibi yansoso ye dibi ye womu. Ubia dibi ye obi. Ubia dibi obi. Into when you see a page 139. Into this is the history. The entire ene banda abeka Asante hone say. Omuya sa na Asante no mkoko ye no. Also in those days no. Sa oni obi kokona or capture na everything of yours come under them. Like the yo diabiano abe omodia. That is why ene Asante can claim say banda ayaya dia because we fought them and we overcame them. When see page 261, or say, it is said that the Accra verbally added this to the treaty, that if any Asante trader came to the coast with a wife, and any illegal intercourse happened between the wife and an Accra man, 9 heads and 30 strings of cowries, equal to 8 shillings now, was the damage to be paid by the offender. Whilst on the contrary, an Asante man who might be found guilty of such a crime must be sold into slavery. So, na se obi free Kumasi na oko Accra, even though Accra for no, omo hine no ye papa some time ago, on some medical aka ho asem. But sa no obi free Kumasi, no ya Asantini nko dia, ade na omudi we edi Asante fo nko. Ade na omo anya no general se obia ofri baby na oba Accra na obedi boni a sei na ye be treat you. Ade ntina Asante nko na omo de sa ade no etage ye. We ye nkranfo no bi no. Enti so ye nkrani na oti we a, be mane nyo ya. I have said some good things about Nia Mohini Bia ya, Oko Plidi ya, ye jai Asante Phobi mo, Emo mo call back. But Enyamohina Nunkwana na Yeni Papa, now there were some bad people too in Accra. And Jomo share some railway as a treaty. Say, so be free Asante, na Oba Accra ho, na Obedi Bonia. Me fancy on any yere bae, no obi enkrani na ofane yere no ene da. Enkrani no, the Obayani say, Obitia 9 heads and 30 strings of cowries. No, me fancy that time no, na ye 8 shillings. 8 shillings pill. Say, obi de yere ko no ye santini, na obi nene da awa Accra ho na. The obi tuya ye 8 shillings. But say, Kumasi ni ana santini so ko Accra ho, na oni obabi koda, na ye so ni mu a, ono de awunim de na omude no. They will sell the person into slavery. On na omuye bias. Even the judgment scheme, even the standard and the crampono was biased against the Asantis. You see? So these are all things that you see our history mo. And Tenaha in the 21st century, sitting in your air-conditioned room, wearing your tie, wearing your suit, walking on paved roads with electricity in your room and pipe-borne water running through your house. And make us say, oh, and you and see. Okasa na unyanyansa for. We saying so, page 315 of the same book. Or say na ohinibu ohonma near freno, King Adodankwa. Menya sure say oye nanado dankwa busuani. But now oye ohini ewo that time no. Or say King Adodankwa, who had promised General Amankwa to be punctual in paying the annual tribute to the King of Asante, once found it impossible to make up the full amount in money or in men. So what? At a point in time, no, some tribes are no more coast, no, they were paying tributes to the Asante. So it means the Asantis were dominating the coast. And not na omutua tribute edima omono so no edima yen Asante for no. Or say hence he was forced to pawn his nephew Edum to the Asante taskmaster Owusu with the promise to redeem him as soon as possible. Enti no or the warfare say na your friend Edum or the koma dear Asante for the na kosi like coast was onyeje tax no onyeje eto no your friend Owusu or hini King Adodankwa na onye sika emfentu anything no. Or the warfare say ekosi awowa, as we say in Chi. And to say Edum was brought to Kumasi, and there he became so independent and high-minded as to fall in love with one of the king's nieces. She became pregnant and brought trouble upon him. Adodankwa was obliged to redeem his nephew as hastily as possible, because he had by that misconduct incurred the displeasure of the king. Unable to extricate himself, Ado resolved to kidnap the poor innocent Krobos to pay the tribute. To carry out that mean object, he sent to Krobo to open a new market for pots, pretending that the Equiapims were then in great need of that earthenware. He sent about 14 heads of cowries as a bait to the market of Kwayefo. The Krobo woman brought down plenty of poultry from the town to the market. The Equiapims, who were concealed in the bush, captured 77 of the women, some say 170. Ado now paid the king of Asante with 70 of these and sold the rest for his own use. As I did say, the which I say King Adodankwa na oye Equiapim for him. So home until we are Equiapim now this as a moya, a maninoya, a history, a chum, your friend Abakosem. We can only learn lessons from it. And Mososo Muyebi. Until Equiapim hene. Na utua entuodema Asante hene na ye frɛ no King Adodankwa Equiapim hene Afei de duru baby na onya sika no entua. Enti ode ne baba ma ye frɛ no adum. Ode ne brɛ Asante hene. Afei de akora yi ba yi ɛna ɔbɛnyem emse maaya bi ɛwɔ Asante mam. Enti ma Asante hene bofuo no ɛna ɔka kyerɛ adodankwa ɛyɛ akuapem hene sɛ ɔmɛfa ne ba no na ɔmetua ne ka no. Anye saa ɔde asɛm bɛba. Enti no no so hwɛ na oni sika enti de na ɔbɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔkyekyɛ nipa. Enti nkrɔfo a ɔmo ho kɔtɔ adwam ɛyɛ krɔbɔfoɔ. Enti ɔkɔkyekyɛ krɔbɔfoɔ ɔkyekyɛ ɛma a ɔse ebi kase 77 but ebi nso kase 170 ɛna ɔde ɔmo ɛbɛpata asantefoɔ ɔde mu 70 ɛna baayɛ ɛbɛpata asantefoɔ anasa Asante hene a no ɔwɔ hɔ at that time no deɛ kaayɛ no wonim deɛ ɔyɛyɛ ɔtɔn ɔmo as slaves. Enti no krɔbɔfoɔ ɛbɛyɛ victim to akuapemfoɔ a na ɔmo yɛ victim to asantefoɔ. Enti it was like a food chain. Obiara na obenye obi biara no woche na wakonka no na wakidnap no. Enti everybody kidnap everybody. That is all the point I want to say. Enti we Asantini na okan history enyi bi frame enka papa no nko na enyi bone ni frame. Saa na we kroboni akuapemni achimni esremuni. It doesn't matter who you are, fantini nkrani ye nyina obia ye bone da. Enti no obia ni ho asese otobo edebo obi entobo mome se me Asantini se me ka se sei ne see in the past entobo mome ena me so me ntobo mo se oye seremoni ana se akuapemni ana achimni me ntobo mo de atwam no de aba na ekono ntine fe no abakosem no yema no nyina enka in the past. We can only learn lessons from it. Today let us respect ourselves, let us walk with respect, let us walk with respect towards ourselves. That's all, period. Bibia numbim we so after say Asante any denchirafo ekokon ye no na Asante any denchirafo ekokon ye no na Intim Jakari was owing the Dutch people. Okay, when him na Intim Jakari na he was owing the Dutch people because okokra akudia a na nya sam ketwa a na one Asante eba beko war na obebo ne man ewo fe yase no. It was a very terrible war. Intina Asante fo bebre ewu ye no. That war, it was a very very terrible war because the Trahene ekobo obisia akudia every Dutch for no like okoto grenades bomb nyina cannons any ade enutina ma Asante fo bebre ewu ye no, but thank God we were able to win. Enti antokwano eko echi no na even though Asante awene defeat Intim Jakari ekono no, but na Intim Jakari friends Dutch for no ka enti osetutu ena etuaye that debt no. It was the debt contracted by Intim with the Dutch in making war is said to have been paid by Osetutu an amount of 1,000 peregrine. Peregrine minima de crowd enti sebia winning peregrine obetimi actually yase Martin dinda but minim adekro minim say enwan ena di peregrine o sedan o minim. And after that entokwano I say Opambour was richly rewarded by the chiefs for his good services. The king gave him 300 slaves. The king no mean say Asante hene. Enti Asante hene na this book friend of the king. The king gave him 300 slaves. Yeah, Asante hene. Enti after Antokwano, because of the rule Opambour play no Osetutu emano 300 slaves. Eno mano 100 peregrine and a large gold ring for the arm. Ena ahemfo aka so dodo na so achiche no niema we are no so abra no 100 slaves. We are no so abra no 100. Now we are no so abra no 100. Event peregrine no ni ade. Na nipa na wo mu de cheche Opambour no. Eno no Opambour e de be for me kura friend say Agona. It was say out of this number of slaves, the priests formed the Agona district in Asante. On the history edepa. So ya Agona ni a. So when you be Agona ni a, share this video to the person. The amount Agona ba no. It means probably Agona didn't exist. Say ni pay slaves ya omni che Opambour no. And Opambour e de be build a city and I say a town for himself. Otunidi Agona. This is history. Enti obi na ochro sa book we. Enti ofi say obinya interest bi say o twan tro dia to Asante so. And I say o kan tro bi ana. Do you really believe say obesha say o twan tro? That is why now me say me pe booka 1800s, early 1900s no. Me pe those history books no than history booka 1950 those kind of no. And yes I bad though. I read them sometimes, but yeah 1800s for no. Omudie no na ya na me find the pa bene pa. Eno na wokwa obetimenya truth pa ewom. Eno no de bias no esha. I know say every book be a bias wom. Me kura video ya me bias wom. but bias no, it depends on the level of your maturity, any your honesty, and a better say your level of bias no. It no books are 1800s and 1900s no. I recommend say so a history book be every day. Ta kind those kind of books no. And na a better less bias. We say page 152. Page 152 of the same book. Or say all the forts built by the Portuguese, Dutch, English, Danish, French, Swiss, Brandenburg, from Asante down to Kita, were for the slave trade only. So, ente abrafono omobesisi fort no die ntina omobesisi ye. Omobesisi say omode beche anase die ntina ombaye. They pretended say they were traders, but they were not. They came to buy slaves. Ente no abrafono ena ede saa die no estati ya na ye ton slaves edeko outside. Domestically no, slavery was going on. We were selling slaves among ourselves. But now ye ton ediako abonteno die. Abrofono na ede bae. Enti no omobesisi fort ni nyina no. The reason tia omobesisi ye no nyina ne say the ochore book you say it was because of slave trade only. It was just for the slave trade. Just for that. Enti no we are all guilty. Afe my last reference made for today's video. Book no is titled Mission from Cape Coast Castle to Ashanti. What the way I spell Ashanti no. On say ache book no was written in 1819. On say medical catch say so up history books are yetro no 1700, 1600, 1800, early 1900s no. Yana eye pabene yana no ejawum chain near eye before I say later days no. And no, there are some biases sometimes. I say mission from Cape Coast Castle to Asante with a statistical account of that kingdom and geographical notice of other parts of the interior of Africa. We obia na obabesra abibimai na ose obabesra Asante. Inti na owo before say Cape Coast Castle honum no ose ofri ho obabesra Asante. Inti obabesra Asante eba Manhyia ene ahemfo ne many paramount chiefs ene ade ebedi kita ho enom ni ade ni ade. Enti no akwaiba ho na it is a very interesting book. Ayede na ni be hunu ye na ochro ye. This means say he wouldn't lie and I said he wouldn't have any serious bias. Ayede obe hu ye na ochro ye. Na your friend Edward Bowditch in 1819. Now, mamin kan de obe hu ye na ochro ye ni bi emfanchero. We page 75. Page 75. Or say the king sent us a large quantity of plantain and oranges. Apoko no uhe ebeye opoku. On say we your true we no ayebroni. Eti on say omuntimi impronounce yen tree language and as yen tree words no ye. Enti asante memu ha no obi enu ha ye friend no apoko. Enti I think ebeye opoku. Opoku na bia ontimi ntro no ye no say apoko no. Enti opoku, one of the 4 greatest men in the kingdom, hearing his mother's sister was dead, killed a slave before his house and proceeded to her room to sacrifice many more and celebrated her funeral custom. Obi a santini bia obeto wonana. So obeto wonana pa be fan say wonana me fan say answer na obewu no na obe 80 years and above. So obeto no nko ade a oka me fan say abakosem kakra kire. Wonim say na ohini wu a ana say enipakasi wu a na yekum nipa e de gya omukwan. Na enipa na yekum mu no na ye slaves na yekum mu. Enti yen Asante for no, even though now we were very modest in some ways no we were very cruel too. So no hini wu a me fan say oman hini sante hini ana say obi titiro bi wu a na yekum nipa e de gya omukwan. Na sankofo na yekum mu no e slaves na yekum mu no. Enti saa akoyi a otu kwan free Cape Coast eba Asante memu ebe hia Asante hini na ohwe nia ekoso no. O say onu ankasa nanimu ye ka kire opoku yi se ne maame nuaba ewu ehonum na okun slaves ni bi osan ko ni fie na slaves awo ho kunkum bebre as sacrifices say ne maame ewunti. This happened in 1819. Enti sauti hanoma obeka say oh intimacy 21st century intimacy no intimacy ene but in the past it happened. It happened. We see at page 279 of the same book, Mission to Ashanti, no? The same book, no? I say about 100 persons, mostly corporates, reserved, are generally sacrificed in different quarters of the town at this custom. Several slaves were also sacrificed at Bantama, over the large brass pan, their blood mingling with the various vegetable and animal matter within, fresh and putrefied, to complete the charm and produce invincible fetish. All the chiefs kill several slaves, that their blood may flow into the hole from whence the new yam is taken. Those who cannot afford to kill slaves take the head of one already sacrificed and place it on the hole. We na yam custom na me fanza Asante for ye di yam me fanza afashe bi ana say bibi sa na we na no moye. They were sacrificing slaves. Me say we wote a one here obedi di matem. And so obeka say NC. But it is your choice. You have the choice to believe say NC. The entire woka say NC ni na say ekotiao. It doesn't go in your favor. And I say it doesn't go in the favor of your tribe. But it happened. So in as much as I say, oh, Yabeka say we have slaves, no. Every tribe who has slaves kills slaves. And yes, no, that was one part. That is one part. They were also serving in palaces, and sometimes they were castrated to serve the king's wives, or castrated to serve the queens, castrated so that they cannot have sort of sexual intercourse with the women. And sena ehia se yekumbia na enkwanu mu bi ena na yekumo mu e dey perform a sacrifice. Look at this. This is very barbaric. This is very shameful. Me Asantini se mi hunu we a me me gina ho me ka say oh NC oh enye ye ya anya sa. If I do that, I am a very dishonest person. Sa na me person obia it doesn't matter baby ofri bia. I have great respect for baby ofri bia. I love you. God created you in his image and I respect you. But mo yen kan no ni say slavery was bad. We are no more doing slavery. Let us thank God. Let us appreciate God. But let us not deny. Say bibi sa isi. Now we are making. Let's akwa kope bi maba. And also so the other tribes sponsor ya. Almost so sacrifices. Obia na owo slaves bia no. Che duru say ye pe nipa kuna. Do you think say odishia na omo bekuno? Do you think so? Do you think say sena ye pe nipa bia kuna? Odishia mum ene bekuno? They will not do that. We say so pay 289. We ohene emame ne wuye. Asante hene ba ko ana owo ho that time na akwa no ba besra Asante fo no. Ne mame we and also tie senia ose omuyeye. Ose I was assured by several that the custom of sai kwamina we no ose sai kwamina, but I know say be osai kwamina. Oh ebe osai, but on se buruni the tro enti no on shede nim to beka say sai kwamina another sai kwamina, but enye sai kwamina osai kwamina. And you say I was assured by several that the custom for sai kwamina was repeated weekly for 3 months, and that 200 slaves were sacrificed and 25 barrels of powder fired each time. But the custom for the king's mother, the regent of the kingdom during the invasion of Fante, is most celebrated. The king of himself devoted 3,000 victims, upward of 200 of whom were Fante prisoners, and 25 barrels of powder. So I can go on and on and on. When you know your name is here, no, don't say it didn't happen, because it doesn't paint Asante in a good light. I am an Asante, but I'm prepared to tell the truth. Okay, so also we are Fante, we are wine. Friends, the Kanokrano, anti-slavery no was bad. We are all guilty. We are all guilty. We killed slaves sometimes. We sold slaves sometimes. We made some of them marry our women sometimes. We made some of them work in our farms sometimes. Whatever the case is, or whatever the case was, slavery was bad. Today, we are no more practicing slavery. Let us stop the bigotry. Let us love ourselves. Let us be united as one people, as a country. Let us all say, okay, we will come together and build something together for our country. And yet, afe na yaba be yimu, and away na difo, and away na ye say, and away na ye say. And the bisono, maybe mu Wode Maya and so say, Nico Asenka single out only Asante. I was Senka oka other tribes, and I said Okanu General say we are all guilty. But it shouldn't be said, yes, single out only Asante. But the entire, am I a single out Asante sometimes? And he said, because we were the dominant tribe in Ghana here, no, there was no close second. There was no close second. We were the dominant tribe. Because of saying the dominant tribe, definitely we will have more slaves. We will have more slaves than anybody. This is just common sense. So now na wabase more deni. Now na utimi bu biya na. Ebere na se na okontokwa kese, na o fight kese ya. Now, okontokwa na wudi nkunima. Enye nipa na obinya. Na wunye nipa na se o selected the odu mu beye internally ade. the ebeka no you will sell them. You will sell them to the coast. You will sell them to buy guns. That is what we did. In Tim Jakari, the entire a man kobo bisia eji akodie free Dutch for no ho nyina ne say no nim say oni Asante ko a obe defeat Asante. No defeat Asante a obenya a lot of slaves from Asante. No de omu akwakoton ama a friend say Dutch for no. Enu tina man kobo bisia for akodie a oni Asante e de be ko ye no. Asadanka nyame say Asante, we were able to overcome him. We were able to overpower him. And we had to pay the debt na in Tim Jakari ekobo ye no. Okay? And also so ose tutu yade o yade. Wakobo bi sia na me no akona maborowa. Ade na me na me nkotu aka no. But ose tutu kotu aka no because I think say akodi no ebia ose tutu 5. It could be say Asante 5. And na dash for say okay, some of akodi no dia ne muntu ayeka. Nti Asante so etu aka. Die nti me de madwo kire me say Tim Jakari ekobo bi sia e de koto sa akodi yi say oni Asante be kunu nyina ne say wokon tokwa wi a ubenya slaves, ubenya nkoa na se wonya nkoa se wuyi de odi omu be ye wie internally uyi enu wie a nia obehia de odi ne bedo nia odi ne be yese odi ne be yese wonya enu nyina wie a de aka no you have to sell them. Enu ti no sa nana Tim Jakari adwene eye no ene so ebuka ne sim no nti sa ne tie. Now I will be wrapping up my video. I hope say you have enjoyed it. It is a long video, but I hope say why enjoy it. You see, I have a lot to share with you. Me pesa obeba me page ya odi atimdidie na beba because of say maka sem bi ofisa woni me nya adwene. Woni me nya adwene also for adwene brai. Come with your opinion. Come with the facts. Don't come with insults. Don't come with emotions. Come with opinion. Asema me kan nyina no ma provide facts, ma provide historical facts, ma provide evidence. Enti won so wo ba for evidence bra na me hunu. Enti no, let us not crucify Wode Maya. Ebia baby me crucify no ne say any kwasen ko single out Asantis nko a. Nemom in terms of say tribal bay and be dominant. Ewo slavery nimu, ewo Gold Coast Asante people. And I am an Asante and I don't feel shy saying this. Same way so now say what tribe was the dominant tribe ewo Gold Coast Asante region or the Asante people or the Asante kingdom. What tribe was the most powerful tribe in the Gold Coast? Asante. Eti ade papa bia no the most dominant one Asante dia. Na say yagia no tumu dia. Ene se boni bi so ba yagia no so ntum se eno so enye so hono. So that we can balance the equation. Na obia so ni ho asese ultimately an accusing finger on us as an Asantis because obia ye bi eno na mama mo evidence bebrebe no. Now over time no mesan so the other videos aba eno so mekere eniema esi koye. Say enya Asante fonko na yesa na obia ayesa. De mene teacher Sarfo Kantanka aya adwene ni say abrofo no besisi fort no. Sabre na Asante enya meye oman. Na Asante ehye de nkyirase. Na de nkyira enana eton Asantefo eton oma odi omuso ede omukwaji akode ewo epona no. Na akwamufo nso so eye nasty people say the medical aka kire mo no. Until say Asante ebe ye oman around the 1700s no mu after they started say obey dominant and san Asante ekokonka the coast ama coast for no etua entuo like tributes ediama Asante. Na at a point in time no Asante conquered the coast ni nyina na castles ni nyina Asante was dominating it. Asante was in charge of it. And it's Asante all the castles no ebe Asante there because we won over the coast there. Any na in Kwatono any Asante na ebe in charge mebwa because si yakonka south honum na yakonka a friend say omu nyina any a friend say castles na esisi honum no na abeye dia na nkwasum eguso a ekoso dia any hwan na obeye master ewo sa nkwasum ni mu enti yanye antu mu sa but ebra ye kingdom no ebeye strong and powerful no we dominated it and we became powerful. Enti no, let us not deny that. Enti no, I want to wrap up. I want to end here. I hope that you have enjoyed my video. Please, and any first timer, subscribe to my channel and like my video and share, drop a comment. Now obi bia ofi tribe bia no share to somebody awinim, share to somebody you know, share to obia ofi say history way ebeye educative amano and as ebeye interesting amano, share to obia na yensua bibi na emaye yensua history say yakokontokwa, emaye yensua history say ye bedidi atem, emaye yensua history say ye be pointed accusing fingers edi akere Asantefo and as edi akere obia. We are all guilty in that. So I will end here and I want to thank you very much. Thank you.
And from the research I did, both written records and also oral tradition, I found that Asante was the greatest slave-owning state in Ghana.
Now, you are Ghana for your mistake, baby, because you see, you cannot obliterate history.
That's right.
Abakwasa mo pepa no a eye. Na Ghana for try say ebe pepa abakwasa.
So we can't erase history. I think that is how I ended. History cannot be erased.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.